All right, another day out in the shop. Just a quick one here. Don't have anything. Got the new headers in. They weren't too bad. They drop right in from the top. You don't have to jack the car up. So then we decided we're going to have to work on something for exhaust. So I got the driver's side fabricated up, and she should fit right in there good when I crawl under there. You can see I just cut the header flange off of there and welded it on there. That cut shouldn't be there. Well, yeah, mistakes are made. I got all excited putting this thing all together, and I welded it all together, and then I realized I forgot to put the flange on it. So I had to hack it off, put the flange on, and weld it back together. So a little extra work, no big deal, but so hopefully I remember to do that when I get around to the passenger side. I got the first pipe, I got the 45 welded on there. I'll have to put the flange in this end and stick it up there and eyeball it and see how level it is. The other side, I had to shorten the elbow and the collector, probably a total of an inch, inch and a half. Get it a little closer up to the cross member under the car, but it turned out all right. So that's where we're at now. I'll probably get this one, it's pretty much mocked up. I got to get a hanger underneath the back. There's an old hanger back there, but I bought new ones. So I tried to run these all the way back where that hanger was, because I might be able to just buy tailpipes and tap right into this if I want to run them out the back the way they were. Being that there's hangers under there, I do believe this car had probably factory dual exhaust on it at one time, and previous owners, they took it out for some reason. So that's where we're at. So I'll get back to you. Hopefully, probably won't do anything until I get this one in, get the other side made, and get it installed. And then I'll just show you what it looks like under the car. All right, talk to you later. Okay, here's the follow-up to the exhaust video. We got her all in. That side over there. Run a straight pipe back. We just used the existing cherry bombs they had. I cut the flange off, welded them to the end of the pipe, and it stops right there. We may eventually get tailpipes run out the back, but this will work for now. Not real hard, just a lot of laying on the back. My son told me, hey, just take it to an exhaust shop, they'll bend the pipe. That would have been easy, unfortunately. Closest one here is over an hour away, and I just figured I'd do this. Pretty simple. That's the collector up there. Bought a 45, welded it to the collector they give you, and then just welded a 2.5 inch straight pipe on there. So a little bit of welding, and we got her in there, fitting her up under here with a little rough. I gotta wait and see if that rattles. I got that one a little too close, I think. That one over there, I got a little bit of room. I might have to drop the hanger in the back, but she should be good to go. I figure after a heat cycle or two, I'll probably have to retighten those, because they're Hedmans. They don't have a gasket in there. They're just a ball set up, so you get rid of the gasket, which I hope works. So when we get her fired up, I'll let you hear it. That's it for now.